Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Today we are going to talk about how to send cash from Payoneer to another Payoneer account. We'll be sending from this Payoneer account, which is John Muiruri, and we'll be sending to another Payoneer account. Payoneer account is an international global payment method that offers you multiple ways to get paid online from client to client. Now maybe a client who is online needs to be paid, and they are using Payoneer bank account. This is a procedure. Payoneer has become so secure that for you to log in, you have to verify using a code. We will log into the second Payoneer in a different browser, and we will be sending. I can see the code is 425 881. For you to log into Payoneer these days, they require that you have to use two-step verification, where you have to put your phone number for them to send a code, and you verify that you are the one who is logging into your account. It tells me verification took long. Let's try to log in again. Let us log in again. Payoneer is very reliable, since internationally you will get paid in the easiest way. It's very safe, and let us log in into the second Payoneer account. It's a login. It's telling us enter the verification sent. We sent to you. It was sent in my phone number. I can see it is 84 54 31. Let us try to verify so that we will be logged into the second Payoneer account. We'll be sending one Payoneer account is we can see we've entered into this Payoneer account. We can see it reads €0, $0 and $0 USD. But we'll be logging it from we'll get into this Payoneer account that has a balance of 64.664 USD, and we'll be able to make a payment to another Payoneer account. The first step is come here to pay. Come to make a payment. Once you come to make a payment, you will to a recipient Payoneer account or to a recipient bank account. We'll say to a recipient Payoneer account. We will enter to the email address. The email address that we are sending to the other Payoneer account is this is the email address. We'll be able to wire the cash to the other Payoneer address. Then we will see next. The other thing is payment methods. We are accessing cash from the USD euro balance. Let us just affirm. Let us go back to home, and let us confirm where the cash is. So it is in the USD account. That is where we'll be accessing. We'll be able to make the methods from there. Let us type again. It is Njogu Karongo at gmail.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll be sending from Njogu Karongo. Then we'll be able to send. So we will come to next. We'll say next. Then we'll be getting from the USD balance, which is 64. The amount that we are going to send is exactly 68.64 USD. The purpose of payment is that we are paying for a gym exercise class. We'll be able to review, say that make the payment method to Njogu Karongo using USD payment for paying for a gym class. I confirm. Then we'll be able to make the payment. Once we make the payment, the cash will be, we'll have to fill the code from the other side, which is 20. It sends us a verification code to confirm that you are. These verification codes confirms that somebody else cannot send money from your account to another Payoneer account. They send me, you paid you 64 USD to this person. Well, we will notify you when they receive the funds. So when we come back to home, we will meet that the dollars are no longer in here again. Let us go to the other Payoneer account, where the recipient Payoneer account. Let us see whether it has received cash. It will take a minimum of 24 hours, and it will be able to reflect that cash has been made. Let us confirm from whether the email address has any insight of any cash received. Yeah, Payoneer is a very secure payment method. Yeah, it takes time. We already made the payment from this Payoneer account. We can see the USD now are reflecting at 0. When we come to home, and we can be able to review the activities that has been carried out to affirm that the cash has been sent. But when we come to, we can see how long does Payoneer to Payoneer bank transfer take. It takes 2 hours. Your payee will receive the Payoneer account in the Payoneer account. We receive your payment in the Payoneer account. The transfer should take not more than 2 hours. So within 2 hours, it generally takes 2 to 5 business days the funds to take back transfer after the email notification. Okay, but from Payoneer to another Payoneer account, it takes 2 hours. So we will wait in 2 hours span. In 2 hours span, we should be able to receive in these other Payoneer account. Let us count into the home Payoneer. Then we look at the transactions. Maybe we can refresh it. We need to confirm that the cash has been sent. When we go to the Payoneer account, we can see that in the activity, in the transactions, we can see that on 5th May 2020, that we've already sent 68.648 to the other account. It will take 2 hours, and the other recipient will be able to receive cash in their Payoneer account. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, how to send money from Payoneer to another Payoneer account. This is very critical when maybe a direct client is paying you or other international clients. So to acquaint yourself with more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I'm at 551 subscribers. You will get where you will get lifestyle tutorials. One of the tutorials is about you'll get tutorials how to verify verification of Payoneer Global Payment Service. You'll also get how to verify a Payoneer account, and you'll get more lessons about Payoneer. All these are in the description link. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment.